Hello friends, I am Rupam again and welcome to Rupam's tutorial. Today I will discuss squares from 1 to 5 to 175 in few seconds in your mind. But there is only one condition. You have to memorize this chart from squares 1 to 25. I said in my other videos, and if you've done it, congratulations, you can do every trick that I teach you about these squares. Now we will take our first number, which is say 143. Now the base for these two numbers or the limits is 150. Obviously, the difference between 143 and 150 is 7. Because the number is smaller than the base, we have to again deduct 7 from this number. So 143 minus 7, which equals 136. Now we have to half this number, which equals 68. Now we have to multiply this with 3 and we will get 204. Then we have to square 7, which is 49. Is 49 a two-digit number? Yes, it is. So we can write it next to 204. So 20449 is our final answer. Let's take the next number. The next number is say 172. Now it is 22 greater than 150. Now, because it is greater, we have to add 22 with 172. So, 172 plus 22 then equals 194. Then we have to half this number, which will be 97. Then we have to multiply this with 3. Which equals 291. Then we have to square 22, which from this chart is 484. This is not a two-digit number. Well, it is a three-digit number. So we can only write 84 next to 291. And we have to add 4 to 291 before we do that. So, 291 plus 4 equals 295. Then we will write 84 next to it. And this is our final answer. 29584. Now, you can go on with this for any number you like between 1 to 5 and 175. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.